Hello everyone. The former Chief Justice Mogoeng has praised the Umkhonto we Party parliamentary leader Dr. John Hlophe for doing an excellent job while he was still practicing as the Judge President in the Western Cape. Dr. John Hlophe has been recently elected in Parliament to be a member of a Judicial Service Commission. The Democratic Alliance Party strongly objected to Hlophe's nomination by the Umkhonto we Party. The African National Congress and other parties voted for Hlophe. The African National Congress Chief Whip Mdumiseni Ntuli has said that the party respected the DA's right to raise concerns about Hlophe's nomination for the reasons that they are advancing, but the ANC believed that the conventions of parliament should be respected until such time that the rules or the law may be amended, and said we may have agreed that in instances where the rules of parliament or the constitution has not clearly defined a particular position, we are going to have to live on the basis of the established rules and practices of parliament. He further stated that our view is that notwithstanding the concern that has been raised by the DA on Hlophe matter, we want to suggest that the House should not take a position unless it has clarified its own rules where there is a lacuna or a gap on our rules, as well as the Constitution, so that when we take a position, it does not just become a political position, but it is a position that is supported by either the Constitution or the rules. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.